friends, today in this video I will show you how you can get 8 ball pool coins at free of cost. So you need two things: 8 ball pool app and Puffin browser. This will only valid on accounts which was connected through Facebook. So I'm starting, watch carefully. So first of all, open 8 ball pool, simply log in with Facebook. See, I'm logging now. Yes, I'll log in. After login, you will see that this is my new account or my very old account. This has very low coins. Spin. I got 250 coins. Yes. See, I have the coins, this much of coins. 901. Now collect 25 more, it's 926. So I have 926. After 926, I will use these my links which I have. These are not my links. I didn't say this is my link. I found on somewhere else on websites and some other sources, and these all are links available at that time. So simply open Puffin browser. Now surf facebook.com, log in with your ID as same as in a pool, 8 ball pool. So simply I have given the links in the description. You just have to copy and paste on the Puffin browser after you log in. Note that Puffin browser mode should be off desktop mode, then only it's work, otherwise it will not work. Simply paste and OK. Now you will see, you will get that I got 500 coins at free of cost. See, I got 500 coins. Here you go. See that? 500 coins just by opening this link. And this is not fake. I am sure this is not you guys think this is fake. Those who think this is fake, this is not fake. At this time it's working, and I am opening second link. See, second link. See, my coins also increases. You can see that it's online, so it can't be fake. I'm doing that at that time and these things, so this is not fake. I self experience about this. See, my coins are increased. Sometime the website, after you using this, it will not show, but if you refresh it, it will surely show that you have got. Those links which are expired will be shown as the offer has expired, so do it as fast as possible. See, I am doing the third link. After opening third link, it's again I got these free coins. These links are once per ID. Like if you have more IDs, you can do more ID and more benefits. It's about it will give you from 500 coins to 1000 coins. Now see, in 8 ball pool app it's also updated. See, now it's updated and it will show that this much amount of coins I have. Did you know previously I have 901 coins? Now as you can see that coins have been increased drastically. So guys, this is the way you can get the coins. I will share new links as soon as possible. I know about these links. So be on my channel, please subscribe it if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day. Bye.